with the unboxing of the Amazon Basics 50-inch lightweight tripod. I ordered this product yesterday and the amazing guys at Amazon were able to deliver it today in the morning itself. So in this video we'll go through the unboxing of the tripod along with the initial hands-on and its review. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here with me I have the box for the Amazon Basics 50-inch lightweight tripod. So as you can see from the box, it's very well protected. There's tape everywhere to make sure that the package remains as it is. Also the quality of the box used is very sturdy. Apparently the package has been protected from the inside as well. I believe there is a bubble wrap which protects the courier. And if it's bubble wrap, then there's a lot of fun coming along. So with that said, let's move on and unpack this box. So let us continue the unboxing of this box. Believe me or not, this is the most favorite way of everyone in India unpacking a box using a pen, and that's very helpful. So here's what we have got in the box. This looks like the tripod bag. So from the look at it, it is a good quality bag. Also it has a strap for carrying around, which makes it really easy to take and carry it along all the way. The bag is really compact and can be kept in any other bag while you travel. It's really lightweight as well, so it does not add to the overall weight of your complete luggage. Now let us move forward and check out the tripod. And to my disappointment, it does not have any bubble wrap coating. So this is it about the bag. Then moving forward, this is the tripod. It's as mentioned on the website, the tripod is completely made of plastic. Or is it? It looks like a bit plasticky, but I'm not able to figure out what kind of material it is. I'm a bit confused between high quality plastic and steel. So I'll check it out once again and let you guys know in the description of this video. So the tripod has the tripod legs have 3 different levels, and there's this really good lock or interlevel locking that fixes these levels of the tripod. As you can see, it can extend up to pretty good length. Judging by it right now, I'm able to say that the lock is pretty good, so your tripod would not automatically go down if you add any weight onto it. But you might have some difficulties in adjusting the length because it does not seem to be very smooth as we expect it to be in a high quality tripod. Then you have this rubber bottom which makes sure that the tripod does not slip when you are placing it in any good or smooth surface. At the bottom of at the top of the tripod, you have this camera mount plate. So the camera mount plate comes along with a level indicator. So this level indicator makes sure that at every time your camera is in a complete horizontal position along with the axis. Then you have this mount plate with this screw. So this screw is like any generic screw that you can have that you can use in order to attach any kind of camera. And also it has this Also, it has this easy unlocking mechanism that helps you to easily detach the mount plate from the tripod, so that you can quickly take away your camera and perform any kind of shoots, and when you need it, then you can easily place it over here and continue with using the tripod. So this is the height of the tripod in its fully extended state. So as you can see, this is still the legs of the tripod are extended, and even after that it has the facility to extend the neck of extend its neck. So the camera height that comes or the height at which the camera is around 5 feet, around 4 feet 10 inch. Taken that I am 5 feet 4 inch and it comes up to my shoulder length. So apparently the height of this tripod in its fully extended state is it's pretty much sufficient for any kind of work. You can use it for taking any kind of portrait images or even kind of naturography, or even you can use it to shoot light rays, and the height is completely as what you expect from it, or what you expect from a normal tripod. So as you can see, even at the lowest height, this tripod is able to stand very steadily, and additionally the height is not so low that you cannot use it for anything. It's pretty much good height for any kind of mobile photography, and can be used in this way as well. And talking about the mount plate and mobile photography, you also have the ability to use a mobile handler for the tripod. You can easily find one of those on any online marketing website and use it in order to attach your mobile to the top of this tripod. So in this way you can use the tripod for mobile photography or mobile shooting as well. Now that being said, let's jump on to the final conclusion. So the tripod does pretty much everything that you expect from a normal tripod. It is lightweight, it has up to 3 levels of extensions, it has a mount plate that you can use to attach any kind of camera. Then the mount plate is easily detachable, which means that you can easily attach or remove your camera from the tripod. It also has a level indicator, which makes sure that you always keep the tripod, or you always mount your camera in a very upright and a very horizontal position. Next thing is about the handle for the pan and scan. So the tripod also has got a pan and scan handle that you can use in order to move across throughout the room. Along with it, if you are ready to spend a couple of more $100, then you also have the ability to get a mobile holder for this tripod, so that you can easily use this tripod in order to use for mobile photography or mobile shooting as well. Talking about drawbacks, this product is made of lightweight aluminium, which makes it vulnerable to bend. I don't think it's that much sturdy, or it can withstand high shocks. Also the fitting, or rather the level adjustment that we have down here, which fixes the height of the tripod, or which makes sure that all the 3 legs are in their complete position. It does not seem to be locking very well. It's pretty loose, so you might have to make sure that the tripod is kept in a very good place so that it does not automatically collapse. Then also talking about the height adjustments. So you have the ability to adjust the height of this tripod from the neck as well. So it has got a screw over here which you can use in order to adjust the height of the tripod from its neck. But make sure that whenever you are doing it, your camera is not attached to the tripod in order to avoid any kind of damages. So that's about it in this video. In order to get some more details and watch such videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.